Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can do the slow zoom effect on CapCut PC. So I've already added a video in my CapCut PC, and as you can see, the video is like a still video, and I want to add a slow zoom effect so that it kind of move. So what you need to do is just go to effects at the top, and then here go to basic effect and scroll down until you find the slow zoom effect. Okay, so this one, so just download the effect first, and after that you can just click on the plus icon to add it to track and adjust the length of the effect so that it fits your video. And after that, you can see here the result with the slow zoom effect. So you can adjust the effects here, the horizontal, the range, and also the speed. So I'm going to lower the speed so it becomes slower. Okay, like this. And here you can also adjust the horizontal and also the range. I'm going to make it like this. So here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.